Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Nokia XR20 with a cracked display and a Razer logo at the back. David, let's get right into it. This is one of those rare occurrences where we fix Nokia. By looking at this, it seems to have its built-in phone case. It's really rugged at the sides, and you can see that there's a lot of scratches on the sides as well. But it looks pretty good despite it being used for quite a while. But the screen itself has already given up, so it needs a new display, and this is how we are gonna do it today. So first thing we're gonna do is remove the back cover. The internal components relatively neat and tidy. There's a modest camera array, and we're gonna unscrew everything so we can access the main board. It's got its simple cover, you can see there. I'm gonna detach the battery connector and the display. And here we are gonna attach a replacement display to see if the new replacement display is good to go. Because sometimes we get replacement displays with damage on its face. Sometimes you have discoloration or bleeding. This one, pristine, no damage at all, so it's good to go. Just gonna test the camera. So this Nokia has Android 1, so lightweight version of Android, and I miss the old Nokia with their own OS, but time has changed and we must move on to more modern OS. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the battery, because behind this honking piece of battery we have the connector for the display. On top of the battery you have the wireless charging module. We're gonna peel that off partially to reveal the plastic tab. Needs to be pulled out when you try to remove the battery, and the battery is safely removed. Gonna put that to the side. There's a lot of plastic that we have to remove, and this is the connector for the display. We're gonna peel that off, and now we're gonna pry off the broken display. We're not gonna reuse this, so we can bend it partially here, and it's gonna cause more cracks on the display itself, but again, we're not gonna use it. We're gonna safely put it on the bin. This is our replacement display. We're just gonna clean off the housing to make sure there's no debris left behind, like old adhesive or broken shards of glass. Just gonna scrape it off. It's gonna take a while. David is meticulous, very precise in performing these repairs. Just gonna clean off the desk, and now we're gonna put our own liquid glue. We're gonna slowly wipe it off. Now it's clean. Maybe there's some bent aluminum part on the side. This is our liquid glue. And apply sufficient amount not to make a mess out of it, not too little that the display will just fall off, just the right amount. And when you apply this, if you are gonna DIY this kind of repair, you have to mind the front camera not to contaminate the lens. And here we're just gonna align it and press it in. Perfect. Actually, I like the design of this Nokia XR20. I like it. It's got a lot of plastic around it, and it looks beefy on the outside. And it's easy to fix as well. It has this traditional phone layout that we have seen many times in our repair videos. Just gonna put our wireless charging module on top of the battery and cover up the main board, screw everything in, and then we're good to go. We're just gonna test everything, the touchscreen, the buttons, the signal antennas, and it's gonna be ready for the client. Look at that, it looks brand new. The design of this is actually pretty good. I like this smartphone. This is our back cover. We're gonna put our own liquid glue again because the glue on the back of this back cover is pretty weak by now. So we're just gonna attach it. And this smartphone is ready to rock for another 2 years or 3. And here's the side-by-side of the before and after. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something. And we'll see you again next time. Like and subscribe. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.